Check-in, hectic. Charter flight. Time of day is way too early.
As she waits, she contemplates.
Welcome back to Fantastic Fingers, guys. This is day 2. Behind me is a plane, and below my feet is dirt. We're here, early morning start, 5:30. Boys up and at 'em, and it's been a good little run through. Nice flight. No complaints as yet. It's a beautiful day, and we're expecting big waves. So let's see what happens. And there it is, guys. It's underway here, and it's on. It's big, it's offshore, it's pumping, it's crazy, mate. So we're going to check some action. Here it is.
For my love, I'll give to you. Be my shelter and my shame. You bury my chances of getting through. When all my life I've lived for you. Don't blame the devil. Don't blame the devil. Don't blame the devil. Medicated again. She'll fight the war till the end. See the spirit in her eyes. No, no,
Waves just quietly are pumping.
He burns it lusty within. See the fire in his eyes. No, 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 no. For my love, I'll give to you. Be my shelter and my shame. You bury my chances of getting through. All my life, I've lived for you.
With Sammy Hawke, Christchurch, New Zealand. We're rocking away on this boat, mate. But you rocked it out there, 10-point ride.
Yeah, mean, didn't think I'd ever get a 10, just to get a wave like that, made the trip straight away.
And what about that wipeout? I mean, you were just talking about it. It was a little tester. Those two vests you had on were tested.
Yeah, I know, people back home, they always wear 2 vests. Sometimes I do it as well.
That was amazing. How's that? What happened to the vest?
That one I got lit up on. I was going to pull in and I knew it was going to clamp me, so I pulled straight and it just flipped me underwater and my arm went over my head. I come up, my rash was over my head, ripped in half.
What's it like getting lit up out there on the inside though?
Worst wipeout I've had all year, without a doubt. It's got some power out there, I'm not going to lie.
This time will be the last time I'll ever be with you. Didn't read all the warning signs, dirty bitches and my hammer get me through. Up all night and my eyes are red, I'm paranoid and I'm underfed. I need relief, I just can't unwind. I gotta get you off my mind. And baby, when I'm near you, I can't think right. So touch me, darling, I won't let go tonight. Tonight.
Still a few from the old dog yet.
I don't know. Tell you what, I've never surfed mountains of water like that, and it really, when you go out there and you catch a couple of waves, you realise how big it is. Definitely need 2 life vests. There's so much impact, there's so much power. These guys are, these young gentlemen have turned into men, watermen.
Mate, there you have it. Straight from the mouth, Toby Martin, former top 45 competitor, giving it up for the grommets.
Oh,
They've
mate.
gone hard, eh?
Real hard. Really hard.
You got
But I'm-
rolled.
I got pumped.
One night I was feeling strange and kinda shocked to feel this place again. I need relief from the place of kind. I gotta get you on my mind. And baby, when I see you, I can't think right. So touch me, darling, I won't let go tonight. Tonight. Winter's never come and felt this cold before. I shut the doors, I shut the windows, and still it's cold here. Truth is, baby, you don't want me round anymore. I take my things and drive off in the sunset.
Surfing good, all the boys were tearing. It was an awesome
You
day.
came back though, you got some sick ones in the end and just got pipped.
Yeah. No, it was good experience.
Let's give it up, boys. Give it up for Blakey. Yeah! Well done, Mad Dog. You did it, buddy.
Did it.
You look like the Michelin Man, but you pulled into some sick pits.
By
And
the
you took
fattest human you've ever
you,
seen.
you took out the local favourite. What a tough final, though.
Oh, for sure. I think everyone here knows that Josiah was the best surfer in the contest, so definitely.
So the boys are saying that you just had a $14,000 loan for a car, but they're worried you're going to just pay off that loan. Are you going to party a little bit, maybe get a bit loose?
Oh shit, yeah, for sure.
Tonight. One night I was feeling strange.
There you have it, guys. Fantastic noodles. Intense Wave Invitational. Our winner, Blake Ainsworth from Queensland. Amazing day. Boys did us so proud. And Blake's walked away with the cash. Josiah Schmucker, local boys second. Great day. Check all the vision out. Watch the videos. Do yourself a favour. One of the best days surfing you'll ever see.
And baby, when I see you, I can't think right. So touch me,